The Tesla Cybertruck's mass production appears to be hampered by an ongoing chip scarcity. Elon Musk, Tesla's co-founder and CEO, acknowledged the shortage of processors during the company's Q2 2021 earnings conference call, adding the business is working on a solution. So, in order for Cybertruck and Semi to expand to a volume that's important for client deliveries, we'll have to collaborate with our suppliers to solve the chip shortage. Why don't you just build a chip fab? Someone would say, okay, even if we moved as quickly as lightning, that would take us 12 to 18 months. Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Semi, according to Musk, are major users of cell capacity, and the company needs to ensure that the critical component is always available. The business could start building automobiles right now, but each truck would cost an excessive amount of money. They'd be worth $1 million or more each. There's a reason you do things in volume production. It allows economies of scale to emerge, lowering costs. At the launch of the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg on March 22, 2022, Musk gave an update on the Cybertruck's series manufacturing. He stated that the corporation aims to complete the final model development by December 2022. We want to finish the Cybertruck's development and have it ready for production next year. Musk discussed why Tesla did not commence Cybertruck production in 2021 during the Q4 2021 and full year 2021 earnings conference call. He claimed that launching the Cybertruck in 2021 would be pointless if the corporation couldn't provide adequate quantities. Because of the limits, mainly the chips constraints, if we had introduced a new car last year, our overall vehicle output would have remained the same. So, if we had introduced a new product, it would have required a lot more attention and resources to deal with the increased complexity of the new product, resulting in fewer vehicles being delivered. The issue is the same this year, according to Musk, and Tesla may not commence Cybertruck manufacturing until 2023. Because of a fresh production delay, the corporation deleted the estimations 2022 off the website before the end of 2021. The same may be said for this year. As a result, no new car models will be introduced this year. It wouldn't make sense because we'd still be confined in sections. We will, however, put in a lot of engineering and tooling to produce those vehicles, such as the Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, and Optimus, and be ready to put them into production next year, hopefully. That is very likely the case. But, as I previously stated, it depends on whether we can build more or fewer cars. Tesla plans to begin Cybertruck production by the end of Q1 2023, according to a Reuters source familiar with the situation, January-March 2023. The source told Reuters that Tesla is modifying the Cybertruck's features and functionality due to increased competition in the electric pickup industry. That could be why the company's website no longer displays the Cybertruck's previously disclosed options. A new quad-motor type will join the roster in December 2021, according to a tweet from Holmar's catalog, while the single-motor variant is being considered for cancellation. Musk confirmed the new top-end model in response to reports on Twitter that Tesla will develop a quad-motor Cybertruck first. The Tesla Cybertruck quad-motor, according to Musk, will include independent motors that give ultra-fast response and allow for torque adjustment at each wheel. It could be faster than Tesla's tri-motor Cybertruck, which claims to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.9 seconds. The towing capability could be higher than the 14,000 plus pounds of the tri-motor type. In August, a production-oriented Cybertruck will be revealed. Tesla Silicon Valley Club announced on Twitter on February 15, 2022 that tickets for the Tesla owners' California Takeover, Tesla Takeover, event are now available, tagging Musk in the tweet. Musk responded, via Twitter, on February 20, 2022, stating that Tesla will display the Cybertruck during the event. It's possible that we'll see the Cybertruck in its ultimate form at the event, which is set for August 6, 2022. We'll keep you updated on the production Cybertruck unveiling and other showcases before the launch. The Cybertruck was first unveiled by Tesla in single-motor RWD, dual-motor AWD, and tri-motor AWD configurations. These variations will have a range of 250-plus miles, 300-plus miles, and 500-plus miles, according to the manufacturer. However, there are rumors that the corporation is considering changing the variation lineup, specifications, or both. In one of the variations, the Cybertruck may still have a range of more than 500 miles. Batteries made of a novel cell type will be critical to obtaining a range of more than 500 miles. This cell, dubbed 4680 after its dimensions of 80 mm length and 46 mm diameter, can deliver 5x energy, 6x power, and 16% more range. These advancements were presented by Andrew Baglino, Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, at the Tesla Battery Day event in September 2020. The 4680 cells Tesla expects to utilize in its electric vehicles are being developed and manufactured by Panasonic Corporation. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Kazuo Tadanobu, the CEO of the Japanese conglomerate's energy company, said that developing 4,680 cells took an enormous amount of effort. Tadanobu claimed that giving the cells a totally new shape needed great nerve. In FY 2024, April 2023 to March 2024, production of the batteries with 4,680 cells will begin. Panasonic Corporation's Wakayama factory in Japan, according to Tadanobu. According to a report released by NHK on March 4, 2022, the business is exploring establishing a U.S. battery plant for Tesla EVs in Kansas or Oklahoma. Panasonic plans to build a multi-billion-dollar battery manufacturing plant in the United States, according to Bloomberg, and is evaluating 2 locations, one in Oklahoma and one in Kansas. The American production facility will most likely be used in conjunction with the Japanese factory. Panasonic plans to produce 4,680 batteries in its planned U.S. plant, according to one of Bloomberg's sources. It's possible that operations will begin as early as 2024. Bloomberg claims that Mace County, Oklahoma, is a potential manufacturing location based on a publicly available government document. The Tesla Cybertruck has a divisive design that has been a point of contention since its inception. Despite Tesla's suggestion that the wedge-shaped pickup's design be revised for production, we suspect the company will make significant alterations. The Cybertruck, while setting a new standard for eccentric pickup design, isn't quite as distinctive as most people believe. A design patent application filed by the United States Patent and Trademark Office resembles various classic and early 2000s models. According to a source from electronic.co, Tesla has referenced designs of historic sports vehicles, a funky off-roader, and even an aerodynamic pickup bed cover look in the Cybertruck's design patent application. The concept form of the Tesla Cybertruck is enormous, and for many markets, it is simply too large. Tesla is focusing on making it smaller, so that it can be used in real-world driving situations. During an appearance on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, Musk stated that the production version was about 3% smaller. However, the design will very certainly be the same. Later, YouTube channel Chili Ul 100 posted a video revealing the production Cybertruck's design revisions. The headlamps have been moved from the top to the bottom of the front end. Furthermore, instead of a full-width light strip, the manufacturer has utilized individual headlamps. The huge wiper that rests on the driver's side A-pillar and almost reaches the upper edge of the windshield glass is another notable change. During Tesla's Q2 2021 earnings conference call, Lars Moravy, VP of Vehicle Engineering, provided some Cybertruck updates. He stated that the company's architecture for electric pickup has been completed. The Cybertruck is now in the early phases, with Tesla having completed the vehicle's architecture's basic engineering. "We're revolutionizing how a vehicle is constructed with the Cybertruck," he stated. During Tesla's Q3 2021 earnings conference call, Moravy also discussed the Cybertruck's production. Tesla's next product launch, after the Austin, Texas-made Model Y, will be the Cybertruck, according to Moravy. The firm had created a number of alpha prototypes that were being tested to further mature the concept. According to Moravy, the Cybertruck will get rear-axle steering as part of these updates. Changes to the Cybertruck production model are likely. In January 2022, new photographs and a video of the production Cybertruck leaked online, showing a few exterior design elements. Tesla has fitted a huge windshield wiper with a modest slant near the left A-pillar in the front. To meet with pedestrian safety rules, the manufacturer appears to have modified the nose portion and bumper. As a result, the new face has a subtle curviness to it. Separate marker lights in the lower front fascia of the Cybertruck design are elegantly integrated into the outer edges of the bumper. It contains 2 horizontal LED light bars that act as fog lamps farther below, near the bottom of the bumper. The front fog lamps appear to be set higher in the production version, at the same height as the Idea version's marker lights, albeit slightly inwards. Tesla most likely made the tweak to increase road visibility in poor weather situations. Unlike the prototype, the production version has standard mirrors that are simple to remove, according to Musk. It also has digital mirrors enabled by side cameras embedded into the front fender flares, which can be used to replace traditional side mirrors where rules allow it. The production truck will most likely have somewhat narrower front fenders, but we'll have to wait for a better look before drawing any conclusions. The elimination of flush door handles is another significant modification to the Tesla truck's profile as it grows into a production vehicle. On the narrow rectangular area at the bottom of the B-pillars and C-pillars, Tesla has most likely integrated a touch-operated door open or close button. Additionally, sensors should identify when a user approaches the vehicle with their key and immediately unlock the doors. The pattern on the alloy wheels appears to be a little different from what we've seen before. The Cybertruck prototype's 7-spoke alloy wheel pattern, which mimics the Model 3's regular wheels, was hidden by the aero wheel covers. When the Cybertruck finally hits dealerships, it's feasible that the replaceable wheel coverings will be included. The charging port will most likely be located on the left side rear fender flare, rather than behind it as shown in the design. The new Cybertruck's cargo bed features an additional cutout closer to the cab, which could be an access for servicing the components. While there's no mention of a midgate, it's possible that this is a configuration without it, and that there are others with it. It will most likely include a little latch on the tailgate to open it, unlike the concept version. Finally, the sidewall button layout appears to be slightly altered. The production Cybertruck has a digital instrument cluster, which was missing from the concept model. Additionally, the client delivery units may include 2 extra screens on the dashboard's outer edges for streaming the live footage from the side cameras. Moravi announced, during Tesla's Q3 2021 earnings conference call on September 30, 2021, that the business has produced its own stainless steel grade for the Cybertruck's exterior. The first casting INS of the unique special stainless steel have begun, and the corporation will work with suppliers and distributors to guarantee that it receives enough of it on time. For the outside of Cybertruck, we developed our own stainless steel grade to suit both the durability and corrosion requirements of the automotive business. According to Musk, the production Cybertruck will not have several paint options like a standard pickup, according to electronic.co. Customers may need to wrap the exposed stainless steel before painting it, and Tesla may not provide wrap and painting services. This will help the environment while lowering production costs and complexity. Drone operator Met God in Wilderness captured an aerial spy photo of the Tesla Cybertruck in Fremont, California. On the left, 2 Model X units, black and blue, and a white Model S were parked, while on the right, a white Model S was parked. In the footage, it appears to be substantially larger than its siblings. The Model S is long in its own right, measuring 195.9 inches, 4,978 millimeters, in length. The Cybertruck makes the Model S appear short in the video, while the Model X appears dwarfed in comparison to the Cybertruck, which is 231.7 inches long, 5,885 millimeters. In another incident, the drone came dangerously close to another Cybertruck test mule. The EV's retractable bed cover was removed, and black tape covered the front and back sections. The yoke, or open-top steering wheel, is a standout feature of the Cybertruck's interior. In 2021, the Tesla Model S became the first production model with this futuristic design characteristic. While it has received criticism, Musk has stated that the business will employ it in the Cybertruck as well. In 2021, the feature was also included to the Model X. Musk argued the traditional steering wheel is uninteresting and hides the instrument cluster in a tweet on September 9, 2021. He claims that a yoke looks better than a spherical steering wheel for complete self-driving in panoramic mode. When Twitter user Zines180 asked Musk to confirm the yoke for the Cybertruck on November 30, 2021, Musk responded, via Twitter, that the Cybertruck is purposely an insane technology bandwagon. Musk also marketed the yoke as post-apocalyptic future technology. Regardless of the selected configuration, the Tesla Cybertruck can be reserved for a nominal deposit of $100 US. Teslarati announced in August 2021, citing an unconfirmed reservation tracker, that Tesla has already received 1.2 million pre-orders, estimated 1,268,768 units, for the Cybertruck. The dual-motor variant is the most popular among early adopters, accounting for 47.9% of pre-orders. With 44.8% of the vote, the tri-motor design is the second most popular. The